All right, settle in. Today I'm spilling the beans on 20 surprising reasons I'm genuinely glad I swapped the UK for Australia. It's not all sun, surf, and kangaroos, but honestly, it's been one of the best decisions I've ever made. If you're thinking about making the leap, or just curious what it's really like after the move, let's take a drive and chat it through. The weather just wins. First, let's talk about the obvious. Sunshine. The kind that lasts for months, not minutes. Over here, I don't have to check if I need a coat and an umbrella every time I leave the house. Even winter is mild enough for a jacket rather than a parka. It's like someone turned up the brightness on life itself. Outdoor lifestyle that feels effortless. The culture here encourages you outside. It's normal to see people exercising at dawn, running, cycling, swimming. And it's not a show-off thing, it's just woven into daily life. Instead of squeezing in gym time, you end up living more actively without thinking. Kids get to be kids. One thing I've loved? Seeing kids actually playing outside. Parks are packed, bikes are everywhere, and there's this real sense of safety and freedom. Back in the UK, it always felt like you had to supervise every second, especially with fewer inviting public spaces. Here, it's easier to just let them be kids. Thoughtful family amenities. Australian towns feel designed with families in mind. Public toilets at parks, clean ones, shaded playgrounds to keep the sun off little heads, even free splash zones. Even shopping centers have well-equipped parenting rooms. It's a subtle signal that kids and families aren't just tolerated, they're expected. Playgrounds that are actually fun. If you haven't seen an Aussie playground yet, you're missing out. No sad metal swings over worn grass. These are mini adventures with giant climbing nets, water play, and cool themes. And most of them have sunshades. It's so normal here that it's easy to forget how rare it is elsewhere. Loads of free things to do. Australia is brilliant for free activities. Coastal boardwalks that feel like holidays. Beaches you can use without paying. Public barbecues in parks. And free events like light trails at Christmas. Councils put real effort into making public spaces welcoming and well-kept. People take pride in clean spaces. You'll notice quickly how clean Australia feels. Not spotless, humans are still humans, but there's a shared expectation that you don't leave rubbish behind. If there's no bin, people take their trash home. It's the kind of respect for shared space I wish every country had. Genuine sense of safety. Without getting lost in crime stats, I'll just say this. I feel safer here. Police are visible. Community patrols are normal. Even walking at night feels less stressful in many places. There's this reassuring presence without feeling policed to death. Healthcare that's personal but efficient. One big plus is being able to see the same GP regularly, which builds trust. Booking appointments can be same day or next day for regular issues. Public clinics are strong, and there's a clear path if you want private care. The system's not perfect, but it works around your life instead of forcing you to wait forever. Education. That balances academics with life. Education here feels less test-obsessed. There's more focus on real-world learning, well-being, and balance. Private schools are also generally more accessible financially, giving families more options. It just feels less like a pressure cooker. Your taxes feel like they do something. Sure, Australia has its own cost of living pressures, but when you see parks mowed, bins emptied weekly, clean public spaces, and well-kept roads, you know where the money goes. Back in the UK, I sometimes felt the council forgot my street existed. Lower everyday taxes. VAT. It's 10% here, not 20%. The income tax brackets are higher before higher rates kick in. It's not cheap, but it's structured in a way that feels fairer. And there's no inheritance tax. That's a big deal for people thinking about what they'll leave behind. A more generous retirement setup. Employers here must contribute at least 12% of your salary into your pension starting next year. No complicated matching rules. It's compulsory superannuation. It means you're building a nest egg automatically, even if you're not great at planning. Public transport that just works. Don't expect the London Underground scale everywhere, but buses and trains here are clean, on time, and affordable. Some cities even have dedicated busways, like highways just for buses. And prices? Often cheaper than you'd expect, with discounts for off-peak travel. Free parking where you'd never expect it. Parking's a weird one. In the UK, you pay through the nose even for beaches or parks. Here, it's often free. Even popular attractions have big free car parks. You're not constantly feeding meters or worrying about a fine if you stay 5 minutes over. Roadworks that don't destroy your commute. This one surprised me. Roadworks are common here too, but often done in stages that don't paralyze everything. Crews seem to finish faster, and the quality is solid. It's not perfect, but compared to some multi-year cone-strewn nightmares I've sat in back home, it's refreshing. Customer service without the grin and grip. You don't tip here really, but service is friendly. Staff genuinely help, without the forced, "I'm only nice because you're tipping" vibe. Supermarket workers will bag things carefully. Cafe staff chat with you like you're human. It just feels more real. Shopping that's actually convenient. Forget deserted high streets with shuttered shops. Aussie suburbs often have well-designed centers with everything you need. Groceries, chemists, clothes, even medical clinics. Local businesses seem to do better here, and the experience is calmer and friendlier. Food that's fresh and packed with flavor. This one's personal, but dining out here feels more adventurous. Menus are creative, produce is fresher, fruit and veg look vibrant. Even takeaway can surprise you. It's not just about being fancy, it's about care for ingredients and variety. Holiday spots that feel worth it. When you want a getaway, accommodation here often gives you more bang for your buck. Think ocean view apartments that don't require selling a kidney, or family-friendly options with pools and beach access. Travel within Australia is an adventure all its own, and you don't have to go bankrupt to enjoy it. So there you go. 20 reasons I'm genuinely glad I made the move from the UK to Australia. It's not paradise every day, but it's a lifestyle I've found deeply rewarding. If you're thinking about the big move, or you've already done it, I'd love to hear your experiences. Drop a comment below. And if you're enjoying these laid-back chats about life down under, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time for another drive and another chat.